Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a really satisfying part of any outdoor project, creating that perfect garden wall edge. If you've been following along, you know I recently finished laying down my patio path, and now it's time to give it that polished, defined look it deserves. A well-constructed garden edge isn't just about aesthetics. It's crucial for containing your garden beds, preventing soil erosion, and providing a stable, clean border that truly elevates your outdoor space. It's the finishing touch that brings everything together, making your hard work on the patio path truly shine. For this project, I'm using some sturdy blocks, along with a few other essential materials to ensure everything is solid and long-lasting. The preparation phase is absolutely key here. It's where we lay the groundwork for success. First things first, we need to make sure our area is clear and ready. This means removing any loose debris, stray soil, or small stones that might interfere with a level base. A clear, unobstructed area is essential for precision, especially when you're aiming for a perfect finish. Next, and this is where patience really pays off, we're focusing on creating a perfectly level and compacted foundation. I'm carefully excavating a shallow trench along the edge of the patio path, making sure it's wide enough to comfortably accommodate our blocks. Once the trench is dug, I'll add a layer of aggregate, like crushed gravel, and compact it thoroughly. This provides excellent drainage and a stable base that won't shift over time. Think of it as the bedrock for your beautiful new wall. After the aggregate, a thin layer of bedding material, often sand or a lean concrete mix, helps us fine-tune the level. Using a spirit level and a string line stretched, taut between stakes is indispensable here. You want that base to be as flat and true as possible, because any imperfections now will be magnified later. Once our foundation is meticulously prepared, we can start placing our blocks. This initial placement is about getting the first course absolutely right, ensuring each block is level both horizontally and vertically, and perfectly aligned with the patio path. It's a methodical process, but taking your time at this stage will save you a lot of headaches down the line. Remember, a strong start leads to a strong finish. Creating a beautiful and functional garden edge like this not only enhances the visual appeal of your garden, but also makes maintenance so much easier. I hope this walkthrough gives you It's a rewarding project that adds significant value and enjoyment to your home. Clear idea of the preparation involved and inspires you to tackle your own edging projects with confidence. Thank you so much for watching today.
I'm stuck in a prison of doubt.